In this video we will learn how to rotate and at the same time change the shape of an angular form. Create a new file metric generic model adaptive. At the reference level place 2 points and hold them and make them adaptive. Join the points with a spline. Line to make the line a reference line. A reference line is not visible in the next file when this file is loaded into the other file as opposed to a model line which can be seen in the next file. Set a plane at the line and place a lined dimension between the 2 points. Make sure the red solid point is seen when we tab through the points. Assign a new length parameter to the line. Make it an instance parameter and make it reporting. A reporting parameter will give us the new length of the line when it is loaded into the other file. Place a point at the midpoint of the line. Set a vertical plane at the point and place an arc. Start the arc from the horizontal position spanning for 180 degrees. Align the endpoints of the arc to the line and lock. Assign a radius parameter to the arc. Make the arc a reference line by checking its box. Place 3 points at the arc. Change the normalized curve parameter values of the endpoints to either 0 or 1 to make them to lie at their respective ends. Create a new normalized curve parameter for the central point. A normalized curve parameter is the distance of the point from the end, but it is expressed in terms of the ratio of the distance of the point divided by the total length of the point. Join the points to form 2 lines. When we change the NCP value of the point, the position of the point is changed. This also changes the position and length of the lines. The angle between the 2 lines always remains a right angle. This is because the angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the arc is 90 degrees. Place a point at the line and set a vertical plane over it. Place a rectangle at the plane and align 2 of the adjacent sides to the point and lock. Create width and depth parameters. Hold the rectangle and the lines together and create a form. Radius is equal to rep divided by 2. This makes the arc width equal to length of the line. Create a new file conceptual mass type. Place a few reference planes at the level 1 and place aligned dimensions between them. Make them equal. Place 2 planes on either sides of the central plane and perpendicular to the planes that we have placed. Make them equal. Go back to the first file and load it into the mass file. Place each component at 2 points at the intersection of the planes. Place components on each plane as shown. Hold one of the components and change the properties width and depth as required. Since we have made the width and depth as type properties, properties of all the components will be changed by changing any one of them. Go back and hold the component in the first file and assign a new material parameter. Check inside the box always vertical and load back into the mass file and overwrite. Assign material in the Edit Types menu. Change the visual style to realistic. Hold each component and change its NCP value. We could have also changed the normalized curve parameter to angle in the first file. Normalized curve parameter value or angle, whichever you choose to use, do not forget to make them instance parameter. Please like, share and subscribe.